Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3 LO3. Understand the regulation and commercial policy issues relating to white-collar crimes. In this video, we will explore the true nature of white-collar crime, tracing its historical development, and examining the legal and regulatory responses. You will gain insight into how laws and policies are designed to prevent and address these complex offenses in business and commerce. The concept of white-collar crime traces back to the work of Sutherland in the 1920s. He challenged the idea that crime was linked only to poverty. Sutherland highlighted crimes by individuals of high social standing. His work led to the understanding of crime beyond economic deprivation. This shift influenced the study of crime causation. Sutherland's definition of white-collar crime evolved over time. Initially, it focused on societal status and occupational roles. He later emphasized crimes by organizations rather than individuals. This broadened the scope to include corporate misconduct. The complexity of defining these crimes remains a challenge. Organizations can cause harm both financially and physically. Scholars focus on offenses by legitimate entities impacting the public. The term organizational deviance describes such misconduct. These crimes reflect a global concern, not limited to one region. The emphasis is on corporate and government offenses. Debate continues over whether white-collar offenses are true crimes. Some view them as regulatory breaches, others as criminal acts. The focus has shifted to corporate structures. Despite differing views, and these acts are serious and punishable, definitions remain contentious decades after Sutherland's studies. The Serious Fraud Office targets complex fraud and corruption. Its criteria for cases include significant financial loss. The UK's anti-corruption laws were modernized in 2007. The Bribery Act of 2010 marked a significant change. These laws aim to support the prosecution of white-collar crimes. The SFO's approach has faced criticism. Some argue civil orders are insufficient for serious offenses. The SFO remains committed to investigating fraud and bribery. Funding challenges impact its operations. The need for special funding highlights these difficulties. The SFO's budget constraints raise concerns. Treasury control over funding affects investigations. Civil proceedings seek damages far exceeding the SFO's budget. Staff compensation issues have sparked inquiries. These financial challenges affect the SFO's effectiveness. The FCA protects financial service consumers. It uses civil, regulatory, and criminal powers. The agency's role evolved from the FSA. Since 2009, it secured numerous criminal convictions. The FCA continues to tackle financial misconduct. The FCA imposes sanctions on non-compliant organizations. Recent cases involved banks failing anti-money laundering tests. The Enterprise Act empowers the OFT to prosecute cartel activities. Price fixing and market manipulation face severe penalties. These actions aim to maintain market integrity. The OFT struggled with proving dishonesty in cartel cases. Changes in 2014 removed the need to prove dishonesty. The new approach targets anti-competitive agreements. Defenses exist for those acting transparently. These changes aim to increase successful prosecutions. The removal of dishonesty proof broadens the criminal net. Those unaware of the law may face liability. Legal advice becomes crucial for compliance. The new system expects better outcomes than before. These changes reflect a proactive legal stance. White-collar crime is a global issue. Countries worldwide face similar challenges. Corporate and governmental offenses draw international attention. The focus is on enhancing legal frameworks. Global cooperation is essential for effective enforcement. Legal systems continue to evolve in response to white-collar crime. New strategies aim to improve prosecution rates. Technological advancements aid in detecting financial crimes. Collaboration between nations strengthens enforcement efforts. The future holds promise for more robust legal responses. Raising public awareness is crucial in combating white-collar crime. Educating individuals on recognizing and reporting offenses is key. Transparent communication builds trust in legal systems. Public involvement supports law enforcement efforts. Awareness campaigns play a vital role in prevention. Despite progress, challenges remain in tackling white-collar crime. Legal loopholes and complex regulations pose difficulties. Resource constraints affect enforcement agencies. Continuous adaptation is necessary to stay ahead. Addressing these challenges is critical for success. Conclusion: white-collar crime necessitates a comprehensive legal approach. A thorough understanding of its historical development and the evolution of relevant laws is crucial. Effective prosecution and prevention rely on collaborative efforts and innovative strategies. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 074843616688, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.